बाहेर काडटा भायर काडटा भितर आयलो ना कित्याक भायर आयलो ना भायर काडटा कळ्ळें तुका
व्हिडिओ करपाचो मातसो प्लीज व्हिडिओ काढप ना
No,
First of all, you are out of order.
माझ्या बाहेर काय आवड व्हिडिओ माझ्या बाहेर घ्या
बरोबर
ब्लॉक करना पडलो म्हणून पयलीं म्हणल्यार सांगूंक सोदता वॉलंटियर्स जे आसता ते आम आदमी पार्टी करता जावं ते लिडर्स जावं हांव न्हय किंवा वेन दी नेटवर्क मेक द आम आदमी पार्टी दिस वॉलंटियर्स लायक नेरी हेंझल आल्बान जे फुडें चल्ले जे गुंडागिरीक फेस केले these guys make the Aam Aadmi Party and I salute the courage and the conviction within all of them to stand up for the gundagiri. त्या दिसा कितें बाणावली जालें is not acceptable at all. It's not acceptable at all. We are in a democracy and आमी उलो मारिल्लो एक संवाद करपाक एक डायलॉग करपाक एक डिबेट करपाक एक डिस्कशन करपाक and discussion on what? Discuss on simple issue of basic rights of people of Benaulim or people of Goa. Sitting MLA rejects it, fine, he has got a right to say I'm not interested in debate. It's for the people to decide about it. Like a debate like enough. Gundagiri karap is not at all acceptable in democracy. And taje chede eta, tajo relative eta, ani gundagiri karta. On this young, harmless boys, ek khoichat paristhiti ami accept karna. It's not acceptable. And I want the CM of Goa to speak on this. When he had asked for a simple debate on education. There has been a debate on electricity which Nilesh Kabral, the Minister for Electricity and Power Minister from Delhi have come, people of Goa have seen. Same way we had asked for debate on education for Benaulim constituency. Likewise, we'll ask for debate on every issue in Goa. This is the way people of Goa have to know. तुम्ही टीव्हीचे डिबेट तुम्ही पळयतात तुम्हीच कंडक्ट करतात तुमच्या पत्रकार भाव आसा तुम्ही डिबेट कंडक्ट करतात सो वाय नॉट इन ओपन फोरम सो डिबेटार लागून डिस्कशन करून लोकांक कळटा आनी आज जे बाब नेरीक केला त्रास दिला आज कशें आमी एक्सेप्ट करपाना वी ऑल स्टँड अलॉंग विथ हिम ऑन दीस इशू सेम वे विथ हेंझल ही बींग अ ZP मेंबर ताजेर सुद्दां असॉल्ट केलो इट्स असॉल्ट ऑन अ गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल he is elected by people of Benaulim. Yes, the accept and accept So I want Home Minister of Goa, the Chief Minister of Goa to take be firm on this. I want to hear him make a statement on this atrocity done by the sitting MLA of Benaulim.